This week's YouTube updates, we need to talk about AutoDubbing. First channels are getting notifications that their old videos will receive auto-dubbed tracks. Quick recap. AutoDubbing will translate the in-video voices into different languages, but in a bad robot voice. The big brother of that feature would be multi-language audio, and we'll get to that in a minute. First off, big thank you to René, who also does YouTube help content on his channel, who let me use one of his screenshots, and please make sure to check out his channel in the video description. Alright, so it's a little step in a good direction that we will see more and more content getting translated into more languages, especially into English, of course. That might be helpful for older tutorials, etc., that you don't need to redo, but you probably should do redo anyway because they were bad back in the day. So yeah. The other thing would be multi-language audio, where you could upload your own audio track to your video and not have it in a bad robot voice, but maybe in a good robot voice. Or if you're like good enough in talking in another language, you could also record it yourself and upload it. Of course. Unfortunately, there hasn't been any news regarding multi-language audio. The last thing we heard was the multi-language thumbnails test back in July. But of course, if you're subscribed to this channel, you will know first about upcoming features and changes, including multi-language audio. Next up, answers from YouTube regarding the Collabs feature. Currently, if I upload the video and invite someone via the Collabs feature, only I will get the revenue, only I will get the views and watch time, etc., etc. So there won't be a revenue share as of now. However, revenue sharing is being discussed as part of this feature, so that might change in the future. But they didn't mention that they want to like split the views or split the watch time or whatever. So keep that in mind. Revenue sharing might be a thing. The other ones will not be. All in all, I do think the Collabs feature could provide some interesting, well, collab opportunities, obviously. For example, our channel does mostly YouTube updates right now, and less of the YouTube tutorial side, but we could substitute that with like collaborations. And you could see like YouTube tutorials from other people on our channel if we collaborate with them. And same goes the other way around. If we collaborate, or if someone else collaborates with us, they get the YouTube updates into their audience's feed. So that might be an interesting thing. Think about it. Think about who you want to work with within your bubble. You probably know some of the competitors. Maybe you already work with them. Maybe you do want to work with them, but haven't had the opportunity. And maybe this is something to think about and get this a little bit more started. Maybe you can all collaborate a little bit more. All right, next up, voice replies. We haven't heard of them in quite a while, but there seems to be another wave of experimentation happening within well, let's say the next couple of weeks. I do have a date written down, but since that might still change, I will keep it as is. And soon after this experiment, there is said to be the launch date. So yeah, keep an eye out for voice replies. Keep in mind that you have to do the voice replies in the YouTube app, which kind of sucks, but if you want to use them, that's the way how to do it. All right. Last but not least, an experimental update for YouTube Live, our live streamers. Some moderators will see the option to set up creator goals, such as jewels for vertical live streams, memberships, and there are said to be other ones as well. Unfortunately, gifted memberships won't be part of that as of now. Well, as described in the experiment. But obviously, this is where the feature is supposed to be headed, and it's going into the right direction. So, pinning messages and setting up polls is also on the feature list for that experiment, and the experiment is set to happen until the end of September, but I'll keep you updated once we see more. Any questions regarding any of the topics today or any other YouTube related topics, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you next week for more YouTube updates.